everyone! Today I will be showing you a small haul of card making and scrapbooking items I picked up from Buck-R-Two today. The first thing I picked up was this cute paper pack by Forever in Times. This pack comes with 30 sheets of paper and 5 of each kind. The paper in the pack is also 6x6. I like the paper because it would work well for handmade cards and the colors are bright and vibrant. The next thing I picked up was by the same company as the last item. I picked up this cute sentiment stamp set. The set comes with a variety of greetings that would work well on a scrapbook page or a handmade card. Some of the sentiments say, "Thank you," "There's always a reason to smile," "Home sweet home," "Sent with love," "Thinking of you," "Dream," "Joy," "Miss you," "Thanks," "You are my sunshine," "Be brave, be happy," "Just for you," "Life is beautiful," "All you need is love," "I love you," "Love," "You are my happy," "Thank you," "For you," and "Don't worry, be happy." I also picked up another stamp set that was for birthdays. There were a variety of sentiments on it and they say, "It's your special day," "With love on your birthday," "Happy birthday," "Celebrate," "Birthday wishes," "Fun," "Presents," "Cake," "Friends," and "Party time." I picked up a sheet of magnets to use on my Big Shot dies to hold them together so they won't be floating around and getting lost. The last thing I picked up was this cute piece of silver wavy cardstock. The pack comes with 2 pieces and is thick and sturdy and not flimsy like some other papers I've used before. Thanks for watching this mini haul. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. As always, a list of the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below.